Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix mouse cursor disappeared on Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, there are actually two ways to fix this problem, and the first way is pretty easy. So for that you just need to hit Windows key on your keyboard, then your search bar will get open and here we need to type touchpad, and once you find it just hit enter, then this window will get open. Now here find the option touchpad, but I'm using PC, so I'm getting the option virtual touchpad and it is not going to work in PC. But if you're using laptop, you need to find the option touchpad, and if you're not able to find it, you can use the tab key to scroll through this window. So let me find it. So let's suppose this is touchpad, so you need to just go there and hit space to turn it on, and once you turn it on you will see that the cursor is appear. So this thing only work with the laptop. So if you're using PC, there is solution number 2, or if you're using laptop as well and if your problem is not solved yet, you can use the second method as well. So to do that, you need to hit Windows plus X on your keyboard, then this will open, and here we are going to use our arrows keys to scroll it up or scroll it down. So let me use down arrow key to go to the option device manager. Once it is selected, just hit enter, then device manager will get open, and here we are going to hit tab to access the functions. Now again hit down arrow key to access the function mice and other devices. To open it or to expand it, we need to hit right arrow key, then this will get expand, and now we are going to again hit down arrow key to go to the option complaint mouse. Once it is selected, just hit shift plus F10 to open the further options, and when they are open, we are going to use the down arrow key to access the function uninstall device. Once it is selected, just hit enter and again hit enter to uninstall this. Once it is uninstalled, it's time to close the device manager. For that, just hit alt plus F4, then device manager will get closed, and now it's time to restart our PC. For that, just again hit alt plus F4, and again we are going to use the up arrow key or down arrow key to set the option it as restart. So once your PC is set it on restart, just hit enter. Once your PC restarts, you will see that your cursor is now appeared, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can solve this problem either on laptop or PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.